Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm not gonna share any travel video or not any travel tips. The video is a bit off topic, but I just thought that I share with you guys. It might be helpful for someone. So what happened over the weekend is that I got a notification in my Facebook app on my mobile, and when I tried to open the Facebook app, I got a notification that my Facebook account was suspended because of one of the Instagram account which I did not create and did not recognize, and that Instagram account was not following the Meta guidelines, community guidelines. So then I also saw a notification in my text related to my mobile number, and I went there and found that this is the two-factor authentication code for my Facebook account. So during that time I was scared that maybe my Facebook account is hacked and something bad had happened. So then I tried to check my Instagram account. Instagram account was working fine, and then I went back to the Facebook account, opened that Facebook app, and then clicked on that button where it says that I still can appeal against the suspension within 180 days. So I clicked on that one, but it didn't go anywhere. It seemed like even though before that incident my Facebook account was linked to my Instagram account, the link was removed somehow. So when I clicked to appeal via my Instagram account, it didn't go anywhere. Then I went to my Instagram account center and found that my Facebook account was removed from there. That's why I was not able to submit for the appeal from there. As I'm a cybersecurity analyst, I knew that I will have to be calm and composed during that time. So rather than scattering all over the internet, I just thought that if I can get any helpful link from Facebook help. So I have found one which is www.facebook.com/hacked. So I went to that link, but it was not doing anything for me. Maybe because my account was suspended, not exactly hacked. The main reason was suspension, so it was not doing anything. Even if I was clicking on my account, is Facebook account is compromised, so it did not work for me. Then I thought that maybe there will be a such kind of page for Instagram as well. So I found one for Instagram as well. I'll post all the links in the description so that you can go and have a look. It didn't work for me, but might work for you as well, because the scenario might be different for you. So yeah, coming back to that point, in Instagram, when I went to that help page, and then clicked on something else, it did not match my scenario as well, because my Instagram account was not actually hacked, but from account center my linked Facebook account was removed. So then I have started looking for some content, some YouTube videos, some Reddit threads, and found another link, which is for the users who resides in a European Union country. Even though I'm living in New Zealand, I thought that maybe I should give it a go. When I tried to at first access the link, again I will post the link in my description, then I was not able to, because my browser was picking up the New Zealand location, so I have used a VPN. You can use that VPN as well, TunnelBear VPN. It's free, and I've set up my location as France and then tried to access that link. And thankfully this time it went to that page where the first option is like my Facebook account has been hacked. So I've selected that option. It went to another page. then it has asked for my Facebook username, Facebook profile name. So just to add over here, if you want to get the correct username for your Facebook, so when you get the window where it says that your account is suspended, it also gives you an option to download all your Facebook files and data. If you download that, you'll be able to see one folder which is profile information, and if you further go to that folder, you will be able to find one XML file. If you click on that one, it will give you your Facebook username, associated email address, everything. So even if you do not remember, you can get that information from that folder. But while picking up the information from that folder, unfortunately I put the wrong username. That's why later when I have submitted that form, after like 48 hours, I got the reply that they were not able to find any associated Facebook account with that email address. That was totally my fault, but this is one of the options which can work for you. Luckily, another option worked for me, which I'm gonna mention later. But maybe for you this option will work, because it has simply asked for the Facebook username, associated email address, and then another email address, a new email address, which is not associated to any Instagram or Facebook account, so that they can contact you in that email address, and a brief description of the incident, what happened. So I had submitted that, but as I have mentioned, I have put the wrong username. It didn't work for me, and I got that notification after 48 hours. But luckily, I went to the fourth option before that. So this is the option which has worked for me, and I believe this is one of the options which will work for everyone, because it had worked for me very well. So the option is like, if you have an Instagram account, what you can do is you can subscribe for the verified badge. Just go to your Instagram account, go to the settings, and then subscribe for the verified option. So why you need to subscribe for the verified option? If you subscribe for the verified option, then you get a chance to contact one of the Meta employees or contact one of the Meta support person who can help. So it's kind of a premium support. So I have bought that verified badge, Instagram badge from Meta. It had cost me 16 New Zealand dollar. Once I have paid the money, it has asked for my identification. So I have uploaded my driving license details, and my account had matched with that information. So within a short time, I was verified, and I was able to see that the support option is available for me. So once you click on the support option or go to the support option, at first it will ask you like what kind of problem you're facing. So you choose the category like account access. When I have chosen the option account access, then it had asked for some additional information. I have added some screenshot over there, like what is the message I'm getting for suspension, what is the name of the Instagram account associated. Also added that my account was removed from Instagram account center. Also given my date of birth, and then my email address, my current location, just to give more information and just to show you that you are the person, actual person whose account was compromised. So once I have submitted, one new window was open, and then I was connected to a support person. He was very helpful. So he had asked for a new email address which was not associated to any Instagram or Facebook account. It was created earlier by me, so I have provided that email address. I briefly described what had happened. So he has created one case on my behalf, and then given me why I had two-factor authentication enabled. Also, I went to the Instagram profile. I did not see any suspicious login. It's still a bit mystery, but as I mentioned, the Meta employee then created a case for me and then had given me the case number, and also mentioned that if I do not hear, it normally takes 24 to 48 hours to get a result. If I do not hear anything within that time, I'm happy to contact them again. Then that chat ended. Now it was the waiting game only. So after around like 24-26 hours, I got a text in my Meta support chat window that there's a good news for me. They have sent me a reset link in that newly created email address. They were also able to associate that newly created email address to my Facebook account. So I had logged into the email and then found that link, followed that link, reset my password. Then Facebook had also asked me to verify some more information like my last post, the pages that I like, just to make sure that there was not much activity, or there was not any suspicious activity from my account during that time. But luckily, as the account was suspended straight away, the malicious actor did not get time to do any malicious activity, so it was all good, fine. And then I have reviewed all this information, and then when submitted, it has asked me to appeal against that suspension. Then I have gone through the process. It had asked me for a selfie. It had asked for my photo identity. I have uploaded the photo ID, and then it was waiting game again. Then I have reached out to that person in my chat, my Instagram chat, and he has mentioned that this is a standard process and I should to be able to hear back within 24 hours or so. Also, when you submit the appeal, it was also showing that it normally takes over a day, so I'll be able to get result within that time. But they will verify my information. If it is all good, I'll given the access back. But if my profile still doesn't meet the community guidelines, my profile will be permanently deleted. Luckily, after around like 24 hours or so, I just opened my Facebook app and it went straight to my profile. All my news feeds are loaded. Then I knew that I've got my access back. So I'm happy now. I'm glad that this fourth option worked for me. If you are going through the same situation or had that kind of incident, you can give it a shot. Hopefully it will work for you. As mentioned earlier, I will add all those links in my description, but I really recommend that if the other three options doesn't work for me, try that Meta verified option. But obviously you need an Instagram account for that. If you have an existing account, that will give the Meta team a more confidence. So that's it pretty much. Please reach out to me in comments if you want any additional information regarding this, or if you are stuck in any process, maybe I'll be able to help you. I'm glad that I'm back in Facebook. So thanks for watching the video. Yeah, I'll be very glad if this video helps you in some way. Thanks for watching again. Thank you. Bye.